So in my previous video, I showed you guys the worst PPF job. And then in this video, I'm gonna show you guys the type of quality that we push out here at Mile High Customs. Let's check out this Tesla Model Y. Like I mentioned, we did full body matte paint protection on this vehicle, and we'll start off with the front bumper. We do extend all of our edges so that way we can tuck underneath. There is no gap right along here, and there is no gap on any of the other panels that open up, such as this part of the fender, the hood, and the doors. The pattern right along the fog light lines up very well as the bottom over here. There is little to no gap and no material pullback. The material comes up right to the corner, and then we do heat seal it so that way you don't get any material pullback or any failure. The gap around the door handles is pretty much non-existent, and then like I said, we do extend all the edges so that way we can tuck the material behind the door. Same thing over here, we have about 1/4 of an inch excess so that way we can tuck the film over here, and the right thing to do is to heat seal it so that way the material doesn't pull back. We do work on a lot of Teslas, so we are able to complete this trunk in one piece without a seam or a relief cut. Like I mentioned, we do extend all of our patterns so you don't see a little gap over there whenever the charging port is closed. Same story on the driver's side, extended edges, very little to no gap on the door handles, as quality of a job as possible. And I know nobody's perfect, however, we definitely strive to be, and that's why we charge a little bit more than some of our competition. So next time someone gives you a super low price, question it, because some things are too good to be true.